welcome to the Founding Celebration 2026 at Illinois State University. The Founding Celebration is a time set apart each year when we can all look back with pride and legacy on the traditions of Illinois State and honor our students, faculty, staff, alumni, and friends, and the special contributions they make each and every day to our university. I am honored to be your host today as we celebrate one of the grandest traditions at Illinois State, the annual bell ringing ceremony, where we recognize the founding of Illinois' first and finest public university.
Today is about tradition. We gather to honor Illinois State's history and the people who came before us, whose vision, dedication, and perseverance laid the foundation for who and what we are as a university today.